Hey guys, so I thought it would be fun if I vlogged today, and I know you're probably like just get straight to the point, but I wanted to vlog today because I gotta, this corona stuff, so I gotta go get some essentials from the store. So I'm in Dollar General. I'm about to just get a couple stuff and I'm out. So yeah, to find, I feel like doing the dishes, find some cheap plates. Got no cheap plates. Get these. I already got forks. I use these. I don't know for what, but they come in. They matches. Dog some. Let me get Bella some treats. My phone dying. This coronavirus got everybody buying shit up. Most of the vitamins and the sick medicine is gone. They still got some remedy medicine for pain, but not a lot. This one is crazy. Alright, so I got all I needed from the $50 store. That dress is random, and my dog is chewing on it. But I'm about to put this stuff up. Feed Bella. It's my husky. Bella. But yeah, she's very happy to be out. But yeah, I'm gonna put this stuff away and then I'm gonna start making a suppository. I was scared to use these, but they actually work. These are the Diamond brand, and they're like little box. If you're looking for anything, like as far as this Corona crap, if you're looking for something to like, I don't know, just for emergency, these are good. These are strike-on box matches, so they got 6. And you just, yeah, I'll just let it candle. Take a smell good in here. But yeah, I'm about to get myself together, and then I'm gonna show you how to make suppositories. Seriously, I'm home now, y'all. I know. It's like I'm home now, so let's mix up pot. Don't mind what I'm wearing. I dress like I'm back in the 80s. I dress like I'm back in the 80s, but let's mix suppositories. Okay, hey guys, sorry the lighting is a little bit bad in my kitchen, so I may look a little bit, dark or maybe a shadow, but yeah, I put the dress on. I put the dress on, but yeah, treat yourself during this corona and get you a nice, cute dress at Dollar General. They got some cute stuff. Period. But yeah, though. So let me show you. So let me show you what you're gonna need. So this is a part 2 to make a suppositories, and this is a more in-depth video of exactly how to do it, because last time I was rushing. But I just wanted to get that up there. But this one is a more in-depth, take my time video. So you just need a container. Ain't gotta be this big. It's the only thing I got. I actually bought it for food I'm gonna cook tonight, but I'm just gonna do this. Make sure your area is clean. Wipe it off, whatever. You also need some aluminum, or you could use molds. Like I said, I lost my molds in the last video. I had molds, but I lost them, so I'm going to show you how to use aluminum if you want to. That's why I love, my YouTube channel and this passion of mine, showing you guys how to get the perfect skin, because I like showing you guys affordable ways as well, not just, so yeah. Aluminum, a container. You need any vitamin C of your choice. You guys know I love the Dr. Lupa some more vitamin C. I'm in love. I'm probably never going to use no other vitamin C. But yeah, and I'm probably never going to use no other glutathione. Excuse that black stuff. I think that's like a marker or something. But use some glutathione reduced. My dog be chewing on stuff. But oh yeah, during this corona season, y'all, make sure y'all get y'all some awesome. This stuff is awesome. You use it with water because it's really strong. Some black people don't use it with water. They just like use it. But yeah, it said you have to dilute it with water. But this stuff is amazing. It cleans off surfaces. Like, no problem. It's only like a couple bucks, and the smaller one is like $1, so it's really affordable, and it's an all-purpose cleaner stuff. So I just want to show you guys that. Go ahead and get off topic, but yeah, so let's get started. Be right back. Okay, guys. So I told Ron to clean out my fridge, so unfortunately he threw away my cocoa butter chips. I'm going to insert a clip in this video to show you guys exactly what the cocoa butter chips look like, so you guys can purchase them and put them in your suppositories for soothing properties. But I'm going to just use coconut oil because coconut oil is fine too. And this is cold pressed coconut oil. I love this brand. I probably will never use any other brand. I just got so much stuff I'm dedicated to, and I just buy over and over again. But yeah, you can use this coconut oil. And right now it's hard. It's kind of room temperature. So also need a pot. So you need a clean pot. Sorry, I'm all over the place. Trying to make sure I don't miss anything. Okay, guys, I know this is awkward, but my finger is in this aluminum foil. Please try not to cut yourself. Like I said, you can use molds or you can do it this way, which is way more cheaper because I only pay $1 for aluminum. And of course, you gotta buy the other ingredients. But basically, you just put your pinky in there, measure your pinky, and then you slide your pinky out. And there you have it, your own, let me get on the light so you guys can see. See, you have your own suppository. So this is where you put the ingredients into. And you're going to leave that right here. You can make as many as you want. I'm just going to make one because I'm just trying to show you guys the example. You could cut the excess off as well, but I'm going to show you guys. All right, so now we're just going to put the coconut oil into the pot and melt the coconut oil. But just to let you guys know, that's why I said it's... Okay, let me turn the camera around because I want you guys to see me. So that's why I said it was math included, because I did all the math for you guys because I love you guys so much. And everybody not good at math. Math is annoying. I'm not even that good at math, but I can help you guys with this. So you see how little this is, right? You see? So what you do, as far as your molds too, because I don't want to leave people out that already purchased their molds and disappoint anybody. I want to show you how to do it the molds and aluminum way, which is pretty much the same. You just more prepared with the molds, but this is a cheaper way. But I think the molds are affordable too, though. But yeah, what you do is measure the liquid. What you do, it's not really that much math to do. I just figured it out in my head. If you basically you pour as much liquid as that fills up this one suppository, and you could do each like that. So fill up this, put as much oil in the pot that you're actually going to use because you don't want to waste anything. So however many suppositories you want to make in your molds, that's how much liquid you need. You know what I'm saying? Because everybody be like, oh, well, how much you need, how much liquid do you need, and how much glutathione to put into the liquid. And I get it, because you want to make sure you get in the same milligrams in each suppository. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And I'm going to put this much into the pot because this is how much. I'm only making one. Like I said, if you're making multiple, then you're going to have to add, of course, more coconut oil into the pot. So what you do is, I'm also going to help you out if you're making multiple too. I love you guys, and I want you to know what you're doing. So if you making more and you got a pack of, let me put this in the pot because it's melting in my hand. But if you're making more than one suppository, just pour the coconut oil into all the suppositories. And that's how you know how much liquid to use. And then once you pour it into all the suppositories, because that's what I just did. I put it into the aluminum, and then that's how much I measured to put into the pot. So I make sure I'm using all what I'm, cooking up. But that's what you do. Pour all into the molds. And then once you figure out how much liquid you need, pour the liquid that you put into the molds into the pot. And that's how much liquid you need for all the suppositories that you're making. I'm only making one because I'm showing you how to do it. And yeah, let's get to showing the road. Being a YouTuber is so hard, guys. I'm running out of space, so hopefully my phone don't cut off. But we're going to melt this little bit of coconut oil to go into this suppository. Okay, so we're melting it now. It don't take long. You don't need to it's gonna melt basically. So just take this and move it around. Just take this and move around, melt it faster, right? And you don't want it to dissolve and dry up in the pot, so hurry up and. So like I said, it don't you this is an in-depth video, so I'm sorry I'm trying to explain to you. You don't have to heat this up that much. The coconut oil is going to melt. If you keep it any longer, it's going to absorb into the pot. Is going to like make it go away. So you don't want that. You just want to heat it up until you still see the liquid. It's still in the pot. Okay. All right. Okay. Then you want to crack. This is the Jarrell's brand glutathione, because this is the only glutathione that I trust and I know is 100% real glutathione. I'm also going to be doing a test on glutathione because one of my supporters asked me to do it, to test glutathione and see which is real and which is not. So if you want me to do that, please leave in the comments so I can make sure I do that for you guys. But please use this glutathione. It's amazing and it works. The reason I know it works because my bowel's always moving. I always feel fresh, energized. My mind is always, I always have so much clarity. I just feel so healthy. And you just know when your glutathione levels are increasing. Plus, if you visit your doctor and you're taking your glutathione consistently, at least the Jarrell's like I'm taking, you'll see a difference in your body, your health, everything. Your hair, your nose, your organs, just everything's just going to be terrific, So basically, just open this capsule up and pour it into there. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I put it there and I just stirred it up, and basically it dissolves into the liquid. And I also put some vitamin C in there. You could put as much as you want, as long as you making sure that you have enough liquid to go into your suppositories and you want it the shape you want it. If you want yours like a bullet, you can shape your aluminum like a bullet. This is how I shape mine with my finger. So I hope you guys understand this. But yeah, I put the vitamin C and glutathione already in there. It's already dissolved in there. And this is 12,000 milligrams. And my Jarrell brand glutathione is 500 milligrams. So that's what's inside of here. You could put, I don't care, you could put 1,000 milligrams of glutathione to the, whatever you want to do, just put it into the liquid. All right? This is very simple, guys. Very simple, man. So, guys, there is your vitamin C glutathione. This is so easy and simple. Like I said, you could cut the excess aluminum off, but this is just how it looks. Let me wipe my tongue off. In there. You can fill it to the top, or you can fill it to the middle. Either way, it's still a full capsule. I just made it longer. You can make it as long as your finger have. It doesn't matter. But yeah, the liquid is in there. The glutathione suppository. The vitamin C, the glutathione in there. And just stuck it right here. So I'm gonna try to get it from a different angle. Oops, sorry, Bella. So there is your suppository. There it is, right there. Okay? And your liquid is inside of here. It is inside of here. So what you do, close this. So you want to close that, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the suppository. Well, I look like a nurse in this, but anyway, yeah, this is the waiting game. We won't wait till the suppositories is frozen, and I'm gonna go back down there and check on them and show you guys the finished results. And you just insert this into your aim. Use an applicator so it can go up there far enough so it can marinate inside, of course, your anal, and then that's what helps to get to the bloodstream faster. But you want to make sure you put it far enough up there so it can actually be in the right spot. If not, it'll just go be like you're just taking a supplement and it's just going to your digestive tract and to your stomach. So don't make that mistake. Make sure you get it far enough up there so it can go to your bloodstream. So that's why it's good to do anal, because it's a really good way to get the glutathione vitamin C straight to your bloodstream instead of using IV. So this is another alternative.